Before the dam, the Yangtze flowed free across central China. It was one of the largest and most powerful rivers on Earth. Seasonal floods repeatedly threatened communities downstream. The river was both a lifeline and a constant danger. For centuries, controlling the river remained an impossible dream. That dream would begin with understanding the river itself. Every layer of rock beneath the valley had to be studied. The foundation of the world's largest dam began with data. Soon, preparations would begin on an unprecedented scale. The battle against the river was about to begin. The first step was creating access to a landscape that had never hosted a project of this scale. Millions of tons of material would soon need to move through the valley. The valley was transforming into one of the largest construction sites on Earth. Before the dam could be built, an entire industrial ecosystem had to be created. The next challenge was finding a way to move the river itself. Engineers began cutting a new path through the mountainside. Every meter excavated brought the project closer to controlling the river. The canal would temporarily carry the Yangtze while the dam was built. An artificial river was being created beside the natural one. The race against the river had begun. The diversion channel was growing into a river-sized engineering structure. Every obstacle between the canal and the river had to be removed. Soon, the Yangtze would be forced onto a new course. The next challenge was holding back one of the world's great rivers. Temporary dams would create a dry workspace for the permanent structure. Piece by piece, engineers began reshaping the flow. The river was gradually being squeezed into a controlled path. The temporary barriers faced immense hydraulic forces. The years of preparation were leading to a decisive moment, to a single decisive moment. The battle to redirect the Yangtze was about to begin. The moment had arrived. The Yangtze would now flow through a man-made path. For the first time, engineers had gained control over the river. The original channel was finally exposed. An area once hidden beneath the Yangtze now lay open for construction. Before building could begin, the riverbed itself had to be reclaimed. Beneath the mud lay the rock foundation that would support the dam. Millions of cubic meters of material had to be removed. Engineers cut deeper into the valley floor to reach stable rock. The foundation was becoming a project almost as large as the dam itself. Now, construction of the giant could finally begin. Everything now depended on the strength of the rock beneath the valley. Weak zones were reinforced to create a foundation capable of carrying billions of tons. Thousands of foundation treatments transformed the riverbed into a stable platform. The foundation had to be perfect before construction could rise above it. At last, the first concrete was poured. The dam would consume more concrete than almost any project in history. Construction advanced block by block across the valley. The giant was beginning to take shape. Year after year, the structure climbed higher. The race to build the world's largest dam was far from over. The structure was growing into one of the largest concrete projects ever attempted. Construction never stopped. Millions of cubic meters of concrete were transforming the river forever. The shape of the future dam was now unmistakable. At the center, engineers built the spillways that would one day tame the Yangtze. Every section required extraordinary precision. At the same time, the future powerhouse began to emerge. Thousands of separate operations had to advance in perfect coordination. The moment of river closure was approaching. Soon, the Yangtze would face its greatest transformation. Everything was now focused on a single objective. The final gap in the river was about to disappear. The battle against the river entered its decisive stage. The Yangtze was being sealed off meter by meter. Nature pushed back with tremendous force. Only a small channel remained. For the first time in history, the river had been stopped. The impossible had become reality. Now the project could enter its final stage. A new chapter for the river had begun. Beneath the concrete, the power station was coming to life. Each turbine would convert the force of the river into electricity. As water levels rose, a new landscape began to emerge. After nearly 2 decades of construction, the world's largest hydroelectric project stood complete. The Yangtze would never be the same again. What began as an impossible vision had become one of humanity's greatest engineering achievements. This is the Three Gorges Dam, enters the largest hydroelectric power station on Earth, capable of releasing massive floods while generating enormous electricity.